Okay, because that's so gross. Bye bye. What was that? I wonder. Everyone back to normal. Please don't come out, please. Since I'm normal now, open up. Sure. Yeah. Okay, get down. Come on. Now, could you put the camera down? A second, please, cameraman. Okay. Oh God! Ouch! 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 2 years later. Okay, it's off. Now come on out. Are you sure? Yeah. Oh, hey, I'm a creeper. Remember me like in the last video? Just hit that subscribe button. And we'll be perfect. Okay, I'm perfect. I'm good. Feel better. Okay. I did that weird walrus guy. I don't know what's my name. And this is a nice day. Give me my okay. Oh, fine. Anyone else in there? Should I come out? Yeah, sure, do it. Remember me from the last video? And where are you, little one? Where are you? There you are. Come here. It's okay. Oh, hey! You don't remember me? The teacher's here. See my little feet? See my little belly? I love cameras. Ooh, cameras. Cameras. Could you stop being weird and go? Okay. And come on. Who else is it? Don't remember me? No, they don't remember you. Account outside only. Okay. Just ignore that. Like a light. I'm not coming out now. Hey, your name is Mr. Up there. Please. Go up there. Go up there. Like this one. Come out, come out. Don't be shy. Stop being scary and be right there. Put your little head out. No, read this book and calm down. Come on. Come on. Please. Don't come down. Read this book. Please. 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 I need to want to get a job. Don't go down there, please. Okay. Then, could you get my Minecraft blanket out, please? Thanks. Okay. Oh, and I am out there. Who else was there? Who else is in there? Okay, I got your nice soft A. So please get off my head, okay? Okay, calm down. Okay, everything's back to normal. He's gone, yeah. Jelly peanut butter time, peanut butter. Oh, now how does song go again? I don't know. Don't please give that. Oh, fine, you win. Go have it over there. Ow! And everything's back then. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. My soft blanket. And you better like it up there. Could it come up here? Fine. Just in like in the last 0.8 seconds. Okay. You're up here. Are you happy? I'm totally happy. I'm happy. 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 Okay. Go. Be weird. Why? Blanket. Okay. Can't you believe it? He's being nonsense. Okay, how that? Please. I've done everything for you. Like, I've done everything. Done everything that you would want. And then, like, done everything that you needed. Like, please, stop. Please. Okay. Come in here now, please. Fine. Instead of please, you say peas. Instead of please, I say peas. That's how you cry. Then go in there. I'm scared. I don't want to go in there. Oh, you're going. Nothing special? No. Ah. Fine, I want. Calm down. Stop the creeper. You're freaking get out of here. But get out of here. No, get out of here now. No. You're gonna get out of here now. It's nice. I know it's nice and cozy up here. You need to go. No. Oh my god. Come here. Oh my god. He's way too freaking far. Fine, you win, you win. Do you even say anything? Boy, you're strong. You're coming. You're coming. You're coming. Hal. Please, Hal. How? Sorry guys, my finger was on there like you can see anything. Sorry guys, I'll get back to recording. Okay. So he's gone. Ooh. Y'all talking? No! Get out. Fine. My home. Don't. I can be out here. Don't. Please, I need to. Okay, whatever you say. Go down there. Oh, now I feel so bad. What? Come up. No, you can come up. Did you just fart? Is my friend gone? Is he gone? Is he gone? He's gone! What's that? Like kind of behind me? Oh, what happened? We're in the vid for like 10 minutes. I think like 12 minutes. I guess I'll come out. Why? Why? Come out, please. Get out of here. What did you just do? Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you do? Guess I'm not gonna spin him up. Hey guys, it's me, Drayton. And I was like, wanted to say, like, Happy New Year. And I got my buddy, Chickface. Hey guys, I'm Chickface. And like, I want this video to reach 40,000 likes in the description. So, just like, take care of my video, 1.4 thousand views. Like, really take care of that, please. So, like, thank you very much for 1.4 thousand views for my video. Bye, guys. Say bye, Chickface.